Hello, my name is Santa Francesca. So today I'm going to explain about Java basic syntax. So Java program can be defined as a collection of objects and communicate via invoking each other's methods. So now we briefly look into what do class, object, methods, and instance variables means. First of all, we're going to see about object. Objects have status and behavior. For example, a dog has status, color, name, breed, as well as behavior such as wagging their tail, barking, eating. An object is an instance of a class. So, what is a class means? A class can be defined as a template or blueprint that describes the behavior or state that the object of its type supports. So the third is I'm going to explain about the methods. A method is basically a behavior. A class can contain many methods. It is in methods where the logics are written, data is manipulated, and all the actions are executed. And lastly is instant variables. Each object has its unique set of instant variable. An object state is created by the values assigned to this instant variable. So let us look at the simple code that we print the words hello world. So we first typed public world, my first Java program, as public static void, and we write system out print line hello world, and the output will be printed hello world. So this is the output. Output will be hello world. So what is basic syntax? Java program is very important to keep in mind the following points. Case sensitive. Java is case sensitive, which means identifier hello and hello will have different meaning in Java. You can understand the capital H and the small letter h will give you different meaning in Java. Secondly, class names. For all class names, the first letter should be the uppercase. If several words are used to form a name of the class, each inner word's first letter should be in uppercase. You know what the uppercase means is capital letter. For example, class, my, N is capital letter, first is F will be capital letter, Java, J is capital letter, and class is C is the capital letter. So this will be our class name. So third is methods name. All method names should start with the lowercase letter. If several words are used to form the name of the method, then each inner word's first letter should be in uppercase. For example, public void, my, the first ever letter will be the small letter, and the name will be in uppercase. It will be our wish if you want to put the name in a lowercase also can. So the fourth one is program file name. Name of the program file should exactly match the class name. Remember, Java is case sensitive. You should save it using the class name and append Java to the end of the name. If the file name and the class name do not match, your program will not complete. But please make a note that in case you do not have a public class present in the file, then file name can be different and class name. It is also not mandatory to have a public class in the file. For example, assume my first Java program in the class name. Then the file should be saved as my first Java program .java. So the file will compile. The file will be compiled. Public statewide main string. So this will be the last we're going to look. So public statewide main Java program processing start from the main method, which it is a mandatory part of every Java program. So next we're going to see Java identifier. All Java components requires names. Names used for classes, variables and methods are called identifier. In Java, there are several points to remember about identifier. The first one is all identifiers should begin with the letter A to Z or uppercase letter A to Z or lowercase a to Z, currency character or an underscore character. After the first character, identifier can have any combination of character. A keyword cannot be used as an identifier. Most importantly, identifiers are case sensitive. Example of legal identifier: age, salary, value, value. So you can see the underscore character over here. So we can use the underscore character for legal identifier. What is illegal identifier? So you can see 1, 2, 3 ABC, negative salary. So this will be the illegal identifier which you can't be used. So the next is Java modifier. Like other languages, it is possible to modify classes, methods, etc. by using modifier. There are two categories of modifier. One is access modifier, another one is non-access modifier. So the access modifier is default, public, protected, and private. Non-access modifier, final, abstract, and strict FP. We will be looking into more details about modifier in next section. Sorry, salah panniten. The next is Java variables. So there are three types of variables in Java: local variables, class variables, which is static variables, and the third one is instant variable, which is non-static variables. And the next is Java arrays. Arrays are objects that store multiple variables of same type. However, an array itself is an object on the heap. That's all from me. Thank you.